Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at how to install a vinyl cut graphic or a decal. So the first thing you want to do is clean your surface. So you want to clean it with something that's not going to leave any residue. So don't use a Windex or a glass cleaner or anything. What we're using here is a isopropyl alcohol mix. You could use that, or even just a mild mix of soap and water. Using something that leaves a residue will affect the adhesive of the sticker, and it's going to make it for a more difficult install. Next thing you want to do is grab some masking tape and tack it on either side of your graphic and get it roughly into position. Once you've got it roughly where it needs to go, you're going to want to measure left and right, up and down, get it exactly where you want it to be. Now, by tacking one end of the masking tape down, it then allows you to adjust the other side. So keep checking it back and forth until you're 100% happy with where it's going to go, and then tack both sides down. From there, we want to run a line of masking tape down the center of our graphic, as this will allow us to hinge it from the center. We'll then tear a tab of our masking tape. By leaving a bit on the graphic and on the surface, it gives us a registration point of where it needs to line up to. You then want to peel the backing paper off, making sure all the graphic goes with the application paper and nothing gets left behind. Once you're at that halfway point, use either scissors or a knife and cut your backing paper. You then want to grab your sticker and apply it down with a squeegee using overlapping squeegee strokes up and down from the center outwards. Once this is done, remove your center masking tape, tear the other side of your masking tape off, giving us our registration point again, and remove the rest of the backing paper. Pull each corner nice and taut and line up your masking tape. This will ensure it goes exactly where it's supposed to go, and squeegee it down as you did before, up and down squeegee strokes, overlapping nice and firm. You then want to remove the application paper. Make sure you go at 180 degrees, peeling the paper onto itself, and ensure all the little bits of vinyl stay down on the surface. And here we have a shot of the finished product. Thanks for watching, and good luck. If you do have any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you.